Welcome to Collecting Chaos. It's time for Tuesday's treasures. And I have some treasures today. I kind of forgot what I got. I'm not sure what these are, so we'll take one at a time and see what they are. They seem a little heavier than what I expect, though. So, like I said, we'll check it out, see what they are, and go from there. So let's roll the intro and get started. Alright, we're going to start with this first box. This was probably from an online auction, although I don't remember ordering this much stuff. And I'm not dealing with this person anymore. I just don't care for the way the auctions are run. And I got a few things here. Looks like several weeks worth of orders. Yeah, this is more than one order that's been sent to me all at once. And that's one of the other things I'm not too crazy about. Here's Top Comics, Walt Disney The Beagle Boys. I like stuff like that. Felix the Cat from Harvey, 10 cents, so that's probably from the 1950s. Porky Pig, 15 cents, so that's early 1970s. Looks like it's got a rusty staple. I'll get into this a little bit later. Andy Panda. Walter Lance's Andy Panda. That could use a little love, and might practice some new techniques that I'm teaching myself on that one before I get started on something really hard. Porky Pig from Dell Comics. It says Action Comics 304. This does not look like Action Comics 304. Not a big deal. I have an Action Comics 304. The Porky Pig is nice to get hold of. I'm not afraid to buy funny animal comics. I like them. And a Porky Pig in rough shape. All of these are in pretty rough shape. This is Porky Pig number 27. So far, I'm not unhappy. Malibu Sun. This is Ultraverse, which is probably why I got that. There's a Dawn number 1. I probably have a copy of that already. But I buy these every time I get a chance, if they're reasonably priced. Dawn number 2. Strange Academy number 6. I don't remember buying that. That's okay. I probably did and just don't remember. 2 copies of number 6. Joker number 3 variant cover. Like that cover. X Patrol. I kind of remember ordering that. I have most of the Amalgam comics, but there are a few of them I'm out of, and I think this is one of them. Death Knight's Death Metal, I did order that, I remember that. Albedo, I remember getting these too. Oh yeah, I like it, Albedo. Good stuff. Yeah, I think this is one of those ones where I told him, just list them all at once, and he didn't, and I ended up buying them all anyway. Death, the High Cost of Living, number 3. Glad to get that. These are Mage by Matt Wagner, The Hero Discovered. Another comic I buy whenever I see it, and the price is reasonable. Grendel. Fathom, I buy Fathom whenever I see them. It's early Michael Turner. Good stuff. Yeah. I wanted this and wasn't able to get a copy when it was first released, so I'm happy to have that. Batman 108. I think that's the first appearance. That one I should have several copies of. Again, I like that cover, so anytime I see it, I pick it up. Superboy, that'll go in my collection. The New Adventures of Superboy, number 7. Definitely a welcome addition to my collection. And number 15, another welcome addition to my collection. Oh yeah, a showcase. Now this is actually marked on there, but I think I can get that off. And this is a stain that I think I can remove that stain too if I'm careful. And I was having trouble getting this. People were bidding against me like crazy until they realized that that was actually a mark on the comic itself. It's a Sharpie. Or a black, no, it's a black magic marker. I don't know if I can get that off or not. I'm going to give it a try. And this, I know I can get this off. That's just glue. It goes all the way through, but I think I can still remove most of it. So we'll give that a shot and see what I can do with it. Yeah, overall, I'm not unhappy with this batch. It's pretty nice. Let's see what else I got. Now this was from Diecast Comics' claim sale, his first claim sale. It's the only one I was able to attend so far. And went ahead and picked that up. Nice, nice, nice. Always glad to get more bubble wrap. He wraps his comics similar to the way I wrap some of mine. Don't always wrap them that way, but a lot of times I do. Sitting at 7.5 minutes. I'm going to stop the camera and restart it so that I don't run out midway through. There we go. Let's get this bubble wrap off of here. Try to get it so that I can reuse it. We do want to recycle the bubble wrap as much as possible. It's not always something that can be done. But I have some orders I have to send out real soon, and I need as much bubble wrap as I can get. I cut right through the bag. That's okay. I don't know if it was a Mylar or a poly bag, but I cut right through it, so. Rather cut through the bag than cut through the comic. Let's see what it is I cut through. Oh! Justice League of America 71. Not Mylar, it's that stuff that's similar to Mylar. It's like a poly that's almost the same type Mylar. Number 70, second print. I'm glad to get that. The one I have is a first print, and I'm glad to get the second print. Legion of Superheroes Future State number 2. I need that. Ecto Kid number 4. I think I have number 2 and 3. So that's a good, nice thing to get. Green Arrow, Green Lantern. This reprints the ones from the 70s, I believe. There's 1, 3, 4, 5. And then Web of Black Widow number 2. I like that cover a lot. Yeah, he had this one slightly overpriced, but because of the missing pieces, it was kind of overgraded also. I'm interrupting this program because of a late breaking treasure that I just received. It was delivered to the wrong address. The person that it was delivered to was nice enough to bring it down to me and hand it off to me. I've already opened it. It was shipped in a candy box or a fruit roll-up box of some sort. And here's what it is. Toys. Some She-Ra figures and the guy that was with it. Can't remember his name. Now, when I had ordered these, they only showed one of these figures. One of the She-Ra or whatever it was. But there was 3 figures. This one I think, and this one. But I got 4, and I'm just really happy. This is just great. It's going to go in my personal collection. And there you go. That's the special announcement. Let's get back to the regular schedule of program. So I offered him what I thought was a fair price, and he took it. It's got a little scribble on here. Pretty clean other than that. Be a nice placeholder until I can get one that's a complete cover. I don't care if my comics are mint, but it would be nice to have complete covers and not have chips in them. Try doing it this way this time, see if I can avoid cutting the backing or cutting open the comic off the back of the cover. Let's see what we got here. We got Wonder Woman number 283. I do need that one for my collection. Cover's complete. It's got a corners turned up here. I'll flatten that out. Clean it, give it a press. That'll be a nice comic. Ghostly Tales. This will come off. This is like a wax. Yeah, that's a wax marker. That'll come off. That 15 with the circle, that'll come off pretty easily. Wildcats number 3. Another Pit number 2. I've got some of those. Superman 83, first print. Death of X. Yeah, these, he had some, at the end of the night he had a bunch sitting on his display, and I got them all for one price. So that's the only reason I got these X Factor and X Force. So I don't really care about X stuff. That one I like. That one I wanted. Hyperkind, Clive Barker. I've got a couple others of those. Exiles number 3 variant and Chastity number 1. This is the Chaos Dynamite Chastity. I have the original Chastity number 1 already. So overall, happy with this. Got some nice little treasures for my collection, and stuff that I decide I don't want to keep, I will offer up for sale after I go through it and do whatever I think I need to. So pretty decent little stack. Probably about 65 comics. How good am I at guessing? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So I was 12 off, but you know, that's still not bad. Basic rule of thumb, 8 inches comic per inch if it has bags and boards. That's how I generally count things, and it works out pretty good. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I do try to release videos every day, Monday through Friday. I go live on Thursdays, and I'm part of Horizon Picks auction on Friday nights. In addition to that, I'm usually on Sunday and Wednesday's show with Late Night with Patrick Murphy. So, yeah, make sure before you handle your comics, you wash your hands. It's good for your comics. Most of all, it's good for your health. And we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.